Hey, good morning everybody, and welcome back to Harold's Shed. Now, I got another video for you. I know it's been a while since I put one out, but things have happened, and you know how life is. But anyway, today I had right here a solar rack with 8 panels on it, and the county came out and maybe take them down, so I'm having to do some rewiring. But what I'm going to do is just take and put my portable solar panels out here when I need them, and I need to hook them to this. But this, if anybody knows the answer to this, please put it in the comment section below. I've got the tools for taking all these cables apart, but this one right here, the positive, I haven't found a tool that goes in there to release those 2 clips. So what I'm having to do is take 2 screwdrivers, and I don't think this is going to work. I think they're too small. Nope. I am not going to get that, so I'm going to have to leave it on there, and I didn't want to do that. Well, after much struggling, I finally got it. But if you can see right here, you got to push those 2 in, and the tool I got is bigger, wider than that. Let me get the tool and show you. Now, this is the tool that came with all these things. I ordered a bunch of these, and this is the tool that came with it. And this tool will not fit in there. Not at all. Not at all. As you can see, it just don't fit. Let me get this out of the way. This, they got to have a tool that goes in there to release that. I don't have one. I've been looking for one. If any of you guys have a link to it, please put it down below in the comment section and let me know. Now I'm going to hook one 100 amp, 100 watt 12 volt panel to this and go in and see if it's going to charge my Jackery, my little small Jackery. Let me go get a panel. I'll be right back. That's my 100 watt solar panel from Harbor Freight. It's 100 watt 12 volts. I connected it to the cable here that goes up the wall and into my office room where my portable power station's at. We're going to go see when I plug it in if it's going to charge it. Okay, now you can see from the solar panel, even traveling like 50, 75 feet, it's still going to charge 62 watts. And that's pretty good. So it don't cost anything to do that. That's what I'm going to do. Alright, so now it's been about an hour and it's up to 100%. It kind of was funny because it stayed down below. The percentage stayed way down. And the charging part right here started coming down. I don't know if you can see it any better. No, it's worse if I turn it on. But it was down to, it just started dropping from 60, almost 70 watts. Kept dropping down, 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 down. But the percentage didn't go up. Wait for that light to go out. So this part right here kept coming down, which I thought it was the sun moving away from the panel. But the percentage never went up very much. So I kept it on there for a while and messing around with the panels, thinking there's something wrong with the panel. But what it did was, when this got down to like 10%, 10 watts input, this jumped up to 100%. So it's not really showing accurately the percentage that it's charged as it's charging. It just, this part here starts dropping off. When that's dropping off, you know that this is getting ready to go to 100%. That's not where it should be with a Jackery. Come on, Jackery, you can do better than that. So it took about an hour to charge that from almost down to nothing to 100%. And that's a 300 watt Jackery battery backup that we use to charge our cell phones and tablets and things like that with, and works pretty good. But like I said, I don't understand the meter on it that shows what percentage it's charged. It stays pretty low, and then when it looks like the voltage is dropping from this, it's not really dropping from this. It's just not showing the full capacity of the battery backup. So Jackery needs to fix that. I mean, I never noticed that before because I usually just plug it in, wait about an hour and go back. This is the first time I tried to record it charging like that. So anyway, the Harbor Freight 100 watt 12 volt solar panel works fantastic. I still need the tool for the positive on this because that sucks trying to get that out. So if you have any information on that or a link to one, please put it down below in the comment section. And this is Harold with Harold Sheds signing out, baby. You guys have a fantastic day.